Hello fellow peasants. Today we're going to be making Irish coffee. Alright guys, so today we're going to be making Irish coffee. It's fairly easy to do. It's something to make during St. Patty's time. I first made it like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I never had it before, and I really liked it. I mean, you can't beat some good Irish whiskey and some coffee. It's real simple to make, and so let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the whipped cream. And so what that is 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and then 1.5 tablespoons of Bailey's. All right, we'll pour this in the bowl, and we'll get that mixed up, and it'll become nice and fluffy, and we'll be good to go. So the next thing is you put the coffee into a little cup. I use like a little environmentally friendly Keurig cup that you can rewash. And so you want 8 ounces of coffee. Now I'm not putting 8 ounces in here, but when you put it into your Keurig, you can set it for 8 ounces. So just make sure you have 8 ounces of coffee in your cup when you make it, so that the measurements all equal out and everything. And let's put this baby in the Keurig, and let's get the coffee going. So once the coffee's done and it's in your cup or it's in your mug, what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Irish whiskey. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay guys, the final step here is to put the whipped cream with the Bailey's on the glass. So fill it up, top it off. Make sure you put a lot on there. You want a lot of whipped cream. So we're finished, we're done, we've made the Irish coffee. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh man, that's creamy, that's pretty good. Yeah, it's easy to make. The full recipe is down in the description below. Now the recipe is set for making 4 of these. So the measurements I gave you earlier in the video were only to make 1 cup. So you got to break it down a little bit if you just want to make 1 cup or whatever. You got to figure that out. But other than that, guys, leave me a comment if you've already had Irish coffee in the past. Let me know what you think about it. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think about it. Other than that, have a great St. Patty's Day, and peace out, fellow peasants. Later.